Is it safe to put a lot of money in Acorns? Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app. Acorns is a great way to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money. But is it safe to put a lot of money in Acorns? In this video, I'm going to answer that question and give you some tips on how to use Acorns safely and effectively. Hook. Before I get into the details, I want to share a personal story. A few years ago, I was looking for a way to start investing. I didn't have a lot of money, but I wanted to make my money work for me. I came across Acorns and decided to give it a try. I was so impressed with how easy it was to use and how quickly my money started to grow. I've been using Acorns ever since, and I'm happy to say that it's been a great investment for me. Context. Acorns is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money automatically. You simply link your bank account to Acorns, and Acorns will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $10.50 at the grocery store, Acorns will round up to $11 and invest 50 cents. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios to choose from, depending on your risk tolerance. You can also set your own goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. Main content. Is Acorns safe? Yes, Acorns is safe. It is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC, which means that your investments are insured up to $500,000. Acorns also uses encryption to protect your personal information. How does Acorns work? Acorns is a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money automatically. You simply link your bank account to Acorns, and Acorns will round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. For example, if you spend $10.50 at the grocery store, Acorns will round up to $11 and invest 50 cents. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios to choose from, depending on your risk tolerance. You can also set your own goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or retirement. What are the risks of investing in Acorns? The main risk of investing in Acorns is that you could lose money. However, this is the risk with any investment. Acorns is a relatively low-risk investment, but there is still the potential for loss. Another risk is that Acorns may not be the best investment for you. If you have a lot of money to invest, you may want to consider working with a financial advisor. Is Acorns right for you? Acorns is a great way to start investing, especially if you don't have a lot of money. It is easy to use and offers a variety of investment options. However, Acorns may not be the best investment for everyone. If you have a lot of money to invest, you may want to consider working with a financial advisor. Tips for using Acorns safely and effectively. Set realistic goals. Don't expect to get rich quick with Acorns. It is a long-term investment, so be patient. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all of your money into one investment. Acorns offers a variety of investment portfolios to choose from, so diversify your portfolio to spread your risk. Review your portfolio regularly. Your financial situation may change over time, so it is important to review your portfolio regularly and make sure that it is still aligned with your goals. Don't withdraw your money too often. If you withdraw your money too often, you will miss out on the opportunity to earn compound interest. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged if you see your investments go down in value. Just stay the course and your investments will eventually grow. Conclusion. Acorns is a safe and easy-to-use way to start investing. However, it is important to do your research and understand the risks before you invest. If you are looking for a low-risk way to start investing, Acorns is a great option. Call to action. If you are interested in learning more about Acorns, I encourage you to check out their website or download their app. You can also find a lot of information about Acorns on my blog. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.